Yahoo! Hello, hello, hello mga masters and mga ka-G! Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning po sa inyong lahat dyan sa Pilipinas at sa buong Asian countries. At kung saan man kayong lapalop ng ating daigdig, ay hayaan niyo muna kami. Wala, actually, G is not with me right now. Hayaan mo kami ni G. Nabatiin po kayo ng good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening at good night po sa mga ready na matulog. At welcome sa ating another episode ng topic natin dito sa G and Daddy Health and Lifestyle Tips. Ngayon po ako ay naglalakad-lakad lang dito sa park na malapit sa bahay namin, and I will be discussing about a few benefits of nature. So ano ba yung magagawa ng nature sa ating katawan? Especially the topic about grounding. Diba? So grounding, familiar ba kayo sa grounding mga masters and mga ka-G? Yan po, ang ganda ng mga ano nito, mga puno dito sa amin kasi dry po sa amin dito eh. 'Di ba? So before we start, mga masters and mga ka-G, may I ask for your thumbs up. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe dito po sa ating channel, Master Worm, for more updated contents. And of course, para alam niyo po yung ang ating mga schedules. Diba? So recently po, meron po sila dito yung kakatapos na Easter egg hunt. May mga flags pa, mga itlog pa dito nakakalat. Nako, yun. So, yun, mga ibon, no? Yan. So right, mga masters and mga ka-G, ito po yung grass. Dry po sa amin dito, hindi po masyadong marami. Of course, yung mga kahoy dito, super dry din po. You know, yan. And yung bukid sa amin dito is dusty. Today is dusty and sandstorm na naman mamaya siguro nito. Alright, so mga masters, grounding and mga ka-G. Grounding or earthing refers to the direct skin contact with the surface, okay, of the earth, such as syempre may bare feet tayo, yung ating paa ay naka dapat po or naka-connect po sa ground, okay, or hands. So halimbawa po, grounding din po ito yung ginawa natin ganito, yung iba naghahag po ng tree. Yan, or kung iba diyan kahiga po sila sa grass or sa soil or sa land. Okay? So of course, meron din po silang tinatawag na various na mga grounding systems na yun po ay pwedeng mabili. Hindi po siya nature, pero pwede mo siyang isaksak or pwede mo siyang i-wear o mga wearables po sila, di ba? So subjective reports that walking barefoot on the earth enhances health and provides feeling of well-being can be found in the literature and practices of diverse cultures from around the world. So marami po ang mga ethnicities, mga ethnic tribes na syempre kung ethnic ka, mga nakatutubo, they walk barefoot, especially the farmers and those in the farm or uh, in the forest, syempre, or mga sila po ay they always walk barefoot. So they also see a lot of benefits with and the health. There's a big like difference within their health. So mas healthier po sila. Okay, so for a variety of reasons, many individuals are reluctant to walk outside barefoot. So dito sa modern world ay konti na lang po ang naglalakad na nakapaa. So they'd rather walk clean because they don't want to touch the ground, because I don't know, for some reasons some are germophobic, or some of them they really want it clean, or they were raised like that by their parents that they should not touch the ground. So yeah, so there's a big uh, impact on that too. Okay, so experience and measures show that sustained contact with the earth yields sustained benefits. Yung mga iba dyan na palagi pong naglalakad, those who have been walking barefoot, or those who have been, like doing earthing and grounding, they have essential, or they have very visible um, health benefits na mas improve po yung health po nila. Okay, so There are simple conductive systems in the form of sheets, mats, wrist or armbands, adhesive patches, and can be used inside or in the house or inside the office, and footwear. So meron siyang pwedeng mabili lang kung ayaw niyo pong uh, mag-contact po sa ground or sa nature. Meron siyang mabibili. They're called the grounding equipment systems. Okay? And these applications are connected to the earth via a cord inserted into the grounded wall outlet or attached to the ground rod, replaced in, of course, the soil outside below a window. So pwede siya, connected po siya, yung mga ganun. Isaksak-sak mo siya, and then may ground po siya. Siyempre, dito kasi sa US ay iba yung ang system ng mga kuryente. So sa Pilipinas, positive and negative lang. Dito may ground pa eh. Kasi 110 dito sa amin sa US. Ewan ko sa ano, yung system na binibenta nila siguro ganun din po yan. Maghahanap ka ng ground. You have to have a ground because the ground is the most important part of the grounding system. Okay? And so ano pang mga benefits? Dito, marami po itong benefits. So here, for footwear applications, a conductive plug is positioned in the shoe sole at the foot, at the ball of the foot. So sa balls ng mga paa natin. Okay? Under the metatarsal at the acupuncture point of the kidney 1. We already discussed the kidney 1 before. So yun po, may area dyan na kung saan po yung connected yung ground na yan. For a practical standpoint, these methods often offer a convenient and routine user-friendly approach to grounding or earthing. So ito po ay pwede mo gawin anytime, anywhere, especially sa loob ng iyong bahay. Okay? So to cut the long story short, mga masters, grounding reduces or even prevents cardinal signs of inflammation, showing injuries like redness, heat, swelling, pain, loss of function, rapid resolution of painful chronic inflammation was confirmed in 20 cases study, 20 case studies using medical infrared imaging. So yun po ay mas madali po siyang nag-heal. Ito po yung itsura niya. Ito po ang itsura ng sugat, and after grounding, nag-grounding po siya, mas madali po siyang humilom, madali po siyang nag-recover. Di ba? And eventually, ito na yung itsura niya. Yan. So from this, naging ganun na po siya. Naging ganun siya. Okay? Naging ganun pala siya. Yan. Yan. Nag-heal po siya. Alright. So, and of course, mga masters and mga ka-G, ano ba, paano mo gawin po yan yung ating grounding? Diba? So, mga ano yan, mga importante po yan dahil a rapid recovery for a serious wound with minimal swelling and redness expected for such serious injuries. Mas mabilis po mas mabilis po gumaling. Reduction in inflammation with grounding or earthing documented with medical infrared imaging. So yung yung may mga inflammation, yung mga arthritis, yung mga gout, mga ganun na na whenever they do grounding, malakad-lakad po sila dyan, and they were able to see benefits. May mga benefits po sila, and then yung kanilang pinag-aaralan. So our main hypothesis is that this is connected, is that connecting to the body to the earth enables free electrons from the Earth's surface to spread over or and into the body. Ng mga electrons po dapat na mag-spread, na mag-connect sa katawan po natin, mga masters. Okay? So, from the Earth's surface spread over and into the body where they can have antioxidant effects. So, may antioxidant effects pala po siya. Okay? Microenvironment around the injury repair field. So sa area kung saan may sugat ay kusap po siyang nagre-repair with the help of that energy electrons. Okay? So and maganda dito, ay mas madali po siyang mag-prevent ng infection, and mas pinapadali niya fasten the healing